So, hello everyone. Today I am going to describe about the very important topic that is a fear of camera. Everyone want to become a confident person in your life, and it is really possible. It is improve slowly if we are working on it. So now I'm going to describe about the 7 to 8 points. These points are help to improve my like confident in front of camera. As you can see in my previous video, when I am making, so I'm making a lot of mistake. I am not confident and I cannot describe anything in a proper way, and lot of the negative thinking like creating in my mind. So why? Because we are not prepared and we are not working on it. So here is a clear, simple, and practical guide in English. It's help to improve your confidence and reduce your fear. So also I use these points in my life, and I also use nowadays, and I'm working on it. So how to overcome fear and become confident on camera? First is, so it is possible when we are working on it. So I can describe one by one. This is help a lot me, and I think it can help you also if you are following consistency. Without consistency, we cannot ahead with your goal, and we cannot succeed in any field. And it's take time practicing, so we can do it. It's not a harder, but if we are not doing, then we are not able to overcome the fear of camera. So that is first is start with practice on your phone. When I was starting speaking on front of camera, that time I was like open my camera and try to speak like uh, uh, I speak my like daily routine, and many more things like related to my journey studies. I can simply open my camera and describe about it, and it is really help to me. And number second is look at camera like a person. You don't think about I am speaking on front of lens, front of camera. So whenever we are speaking in front of camera, then we have to realize in your mind we are speaking in front of person, it could be your friend, it could be your family members, any things like that. You have to realize, you don't think too much about I'm speaking wrong and right. Firstly you have to try and speak. And number third is prepare a small script, like write teeny script, 3 to 4 lines before recording. You have to write down a script and read about it, and open your camera and record yourself. So, like example, hi everyone, my name is Tariq Anwar. I'm going to share simple health tips with you. Like that, you have to describe yourself. And number four is speak slowly and pause. Mostly people are getting confused and making mistake on these things because we are thinking if we are not speak fastly, then we cannot uh, we are not a good speaker, like that they are thinking. But in an initial point, whenever we are going to speak, so we have to speak slowly, like my name is Tariq Anwar. I am doing engineering from here and there, and I am in our third semester. Like that, you have to attach with words what you are speaking and speak slowly and confident. And number five is keep your posture straight. Like you don't have to do like that. Like you have to like maintain your posture and maintain your eye contact, maintain your everything. It is very important. Sit or stand straight and start speaking. It's boosts your confidence when you are sitting in a good posture and then you are speaking, then it boosts your confidence. That is a very very important. uh, and body language is very very important, and your body is teach you you are confident yet not. And number six is don't aim for practice like videos. Okay, like confidence grow from doing, not from waiting. So we are watch a lot of podcasts, a lot of like YouTubers, how they are becoming confident in our communication. So we are researching a lot of things and we are watching them, and we are not apply the things in our life. So it is I think a big mistake we are doing nowadays. You have to watch them any people's, but instead take action. You watch something and you have to apply in your life. Like that you are watching something about related to your English, and you have to write down and you have to apply your in your daily life and utilize the same how it could be possible. So that is also important. And number seventh is use mirror before camera. Yes, guys, this is a very important. Like, if you wanted to improve your communication, then you have to like talk with mirror. Now, in my previous time and now this time also, whenever I am making any kinds of video, then I go firstly front of mirror and try to speaking and analyze myself, and like a body posture, hand movement, and eye contact, hair, everything I noticed. So it is also important. You have to talk with mirror. You have to write down your like any like topic you write down in your note and try to speak in front of mirror. It boosts your confidence. It slowly you can analyze yourself. So it is also important. And number eight is focus on message, not yourself. So whenever we are speaking, we are not thinking about our message, which kinds of information we are delivering to the other person, how we are conveying the message to the another person, and it is beneficial for them or not. So we are thinking about like our it's yourself, how we look like that, many things we are doing in a wrong way. So shift your attention from how I look to what value I'm giving. Like you are putting value to the other person. Like whenever we are speaking and making a like any video, and with the help of video we are saying a message to the another person, we have to focus on we are what we are deliver on like a front of people, front of audience. So we have to give value, we have to provide valuable content. So these all are the point that is help in my life. And when I was think about that we have to make on the video on the YouTube in the English languages. So that time I research lot of things, and in my mind I very confused. I'm getting confused, and I'm frustrated, and I'm fear about camera, and I'm not able to speak and deliver my uh, speeches to front of camera. Then lot of problems, difficulties I'm facing while making video. But still I have one things, I never ever give up, never. That is a simple rule, do and die. So we have to practice, then everyone can become a good communicator, and everyone can reduce our fear with the help of these tips and tricks. If we are following consistency, then we can achieve our goals. We can, if you are doing these things in a proper way, then you can do it. Definitely you can, you know, do it, do it, because lot of peoples are say like different things. We have to not do this, not do this, and we are watching a lot of YouTubers to improving your communication, but still watch. But before I'm saying you, if you don't take action on it, then you cannot do anything. Definitely whenever you go like make a video, you have to script like that. Whenever I'm going to make video, then I proper write, read, practice much more times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and then I'm making video. Then while making video I'm making mistake, I know, but it's take time. Then definitely it's slowly I can improve it. But we have to firstly take action. If I'm getting any mistake, please do comment in the comments box. Thank you.